Welcome to the project demonstration of talking energy meter. The main application of this project is we are going to set a threshold value for energy consumption, that is kWh. Whenever the threshold value crosses, in order to intimate the alerts to the consumer about this high power consumption, this system will announce the voice announcement like high power consumption. This voice command will be announced through this API 3383 voice module. So here the application executed by the energy meter to read by the readings in kWh with the help of HVS-1096 microcontroller through this optocoupler IC. So in order to measure the energy consumed by this load, so we are representing the 100 watts bulb as a load, and that was connected through this energy meter. This is the digital energy meter which will provide us the pulses through this LED. So as we know that every energy meter consists of some certain number of LEDs. In that one LED keep on blinks whenever the load connected. If the load wattage was more, then the blinking rate also more per second or per minute. So that blinking rate will be connected to the microcontroller PIC16F72 directly through the pin number A4. So that A4 pin is connected to this PC817 optocoupler. The PC817 optocoupler will getting pulses from the LED, and that will be converted into the DC pulses to here, as it will get the DC pulses only the LED. But if is there any like short circuit get occurred inside this energy meter, if we connect this LED directly to the microcontroller may get damaged. In order to prevent that and in order to protect that from short circuit inside the energy meter, we kept this optocoupler, nothing but optically coupled this input and output. So based on this LED blinking, same blinking rate will be given as input to this PIC16F72 microcontroller A4 based on the blinking rate. So according to this energy meter ratings, if one blink was happened, then the kilowatt hour is going to be the 1 by 3200 kilowatt hour. That is nothing but whenever the LED blinks 3200 times, that indicated as 1 kilowatt hour load was consumed. After this energy meter, means the energy meter was measured the 1 kilowatt hour of load. Here same thing is, one blink is equal to 1 by 3200 blinks here. So for demonstration we set the threshold value of 0.02 kilowatt hour whenever the energy consumed by the load is more than the 0.02 kWh, then the system will provide us the audible alert through this voice circuit. So that we are using API 3383 voice module. So here the main power flow to the system is 230 volts AC input, and that will be parallelly given as input to the energy meter, and output is connected directly to the load. And this is the regular power supply board which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So that is the operating voltage of our system. Once we provide the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from the optocoupler, that is energy meter LED blinking, and output will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, as well as it will control the output module of API 3383 voice module. So let us on the power supply to this, and initially a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD, and after that the kWh will be displayed on the LCD calculated. So if you place 200 watts bulb, then the readings will be updated in faster manner. Now we can see that 0.003. So whenever the one blink coming from this energy meter, then that will be calculated over here. So whenever the blinking rate reaches a certain level, then the kWh reaches a certain level, and when it crosses the 0.02 kWh, then we will get the audible alert from the API 3383 voice module. And coming to the interface connections, as we discussed, the PC817 is optocoupler at pin number A4, and pin number B2 to B7 for the 16:2 LCD screen, and C0 to the output of this API 3383 voice module. And this is directly power supply input to this one. And this is the reset switch. Whenever the threshold value crossed, in order to reset that and in order to stop the voice announcement, we can do the reset switch here. Press and release that, the system will auto reset. Right, we are getting the voice output of high power consumption as it crossed the 0.02 kilowatt hour. In order to reset that, just reset this, then it will coming from initially onwards. Total will be resumed to 0. Right. Thank you.